Welcome to this video tutorial. In this short video, we'll be looking at different ways we can run a program in Python. So let's begin with the first one using the command prompt. So first, go to command prompt. I want to access Python, so I type pi at the prompt and press enter. So I have Python here. Already I have Python installed on my machine. That is why it's giving me this result. So we want to write a simple program that will convert centimeters to meters. So we assign a variable to centimeters, so cent. So we want the user to input some values that the program will calculate or convert to meters. So input. So let's give a short message. Enter a distance in centimeters. So enter a distance in centimeters, comma. Then we close this, but we want the Python program to use the calculation or to evaluate whatever the person will input. So we use the eval function. So eval. Good. So now we can press enter here. So it is asking the user to enter a distance in centimeters. So let's say the person entered 120 and press enter. We want the program to print the result on the screen. So we will use the print command. So print, then we'll give a short message. So let's say in meters, that is so now we need to write a program that will calculate. So the strange, I'm not done with the strange. I'll not close the strange. So we need to write the formula that will convert centimeters to meters. So we know that centimeters to meters is just division by 100. So it will divide this variable here, cent by 100. And we close that. Then we press enter. So we see the results in meters, that is 1.2. Now let's look at another way of running this program. This time we are going to use the IDLE or the IDE that comes with Python. So I'm going to access that on my machine. Good. So the same program. So cent is equal to eval eval. So we ask the user to input. So we give a short notice or a short message. So enter distance in centimeters. So you can take notice of the difference here. You see this is coloring. So we enter the distance 125 or 1250. So we print. So short message in meters. In meters. That is. So this time we write the formula, which is sines over 100 divided by 100. So we press equal to, and that is it. So let's look at the next method, or the another way of doing that. Then, so to another way we can do that is to use the edit window. So we press file, we go to file, then we go to new, then over here we can now type our code. So let me just copy and paste this. So that will move fast. And I come here and copy the next command here and paste it here. Good. So I'm going to save this. So I go to file, then save as. So let me access the folder. So let me save it as so centimeters to meters. Centimeters to meters. Then I press save over here. Good. So I have saved my command using the edit window. I'll go to run here and go to run module. And you see that is running here. Enter a distance in meters. So I can now enter my distance there. Let's say 30 centimeters. By pressing enter, you see in meters that is 0.3. So these are three different ways that you can run a program in Python. So you can realize that each of them has an advantage over the other. So for instance, in the command prompt, we can easily go back and edit any of these. Then in also the shell, which is the ID that comes with Python, that one, it will be very difficult for us to do that. I try to delete this, but it's not deleting. But in command prompt, we can do that. I can go back and delete any of them. So if I want to delete something, I can do that here. Then in the IDLE, we are not able to do that. But if you look at the file, the edit window that I use, I can also edit this command or program easily. I can edit this program easily and save it and reuse it as many times as I can. So with this one, anytime I go to run and go to model, run model, it runs again. So it runs again. So I can reuse this several times. So it is 400 it gives me. And with the command prompt tool, if I come here and press enter, it will ask me. So I can I have to write this command again. That is the print command again. Or go back and press enter at the end of this line. So in the upcoming videos, we'll be exploring more of these different ways of running a program in Python.